Hello everyone, my name is David from AppWide. Today I'm going to show you the release 6.3 of AppWide Go Live that was released on the 5th of December 2018. I am going to focus on the main new features of that version. The first one is the new swim lane. So the swim lane is a new concept that we brought with that 6.3 release. Let me show you on our demo environment how it looks like. So here I am on a timeline and I have one line per environment. So you see that I have e-commerce dev 1, e-commerce integration 1, etc. So each of those lines are representing environments, and all my events are splitted per environment. So what we brought with our 6.3 release is the possibility to go here on the timeline settings using that button. And if you go in the first the swim lanes tab and then the general tab, you have the possibility to select your swim lane type. So by default it is the environment 1, but you can also select none, so then you will have no swim lane at all. Let me show you how it works. So I apply it, and then you see that I have all my events that are grouped together. It's not splitted anymore per environment. And the other option was to group by calendar. So by selecting here calendar, you see that I have now, I had 4 calendars that were activated. So I have now 4 swim lanes, and each of them show the events of those calendars. So for instance, I have my sprints calendar that is showing me only the events that are in that calendar on that line. I guess you got the point. Let me go back on environment. Yeah, so that was the first main feature. The second one is the new calendar types. So previously you had a section here that was called logs that were giving you the deployed versions and status change logs. So what we did in order to simplify, we have created new types of calendar. So one type is deployments and the other one is statuses, and then it's possible to add those calendars here. And like the other calendars, you can activate or deactivate them directly from here. And you see that if I activate them, so I have the exact same kind of display that I had previously. So for the status change, you have the background with the color of the status. And for the deployed version, you have all the history of the deployment that are here. For instance, there the version ecom 3.8 has been deployed the 17th of August, etc. Okay, so that was the second change of that version. The third one is the possibility to group the swim lanes. So here it is mainly if I select the environment type for my swim lanes, and I have here an option that tells me group swim lanes by, and I can group them either by category and applications. So let me group them by category. So you see that you have new sections here, dev 1, integration 2 that have been added. Here I have only e-commerce environment, so it's not very relevant, but if I'm adding like my payment application, you see that now I have e-commerce and payment, both of the dev 1 environments, and now they are grouped together under the dev 1 section. And for those sections, I can either show them or hide them like this. Okay, same for the applications. I can also group them by application. So now I will have all my e-commerce applications grouped together, and then all my payment application grouped together as well. Okay, I think you got the idea. Fourth one, the manual filtering and ordering of swim lanes. So it is also mainly for environment. So when you are here, you have your swim lanes per environment. Let me select none. Okay, so we have added the sorting, but it's called the filtering. So here you can find again the same filter that you had here. So we have selected the e-commerce and the payment applications, and I have now the possibility to activate what we call the picker, that lets me choose what are the environments I would like to show, and also to order them. So let's say that for whatever reason I wanted to have my e-commerce production and payment production on top, so I can do that like this. And I don't want to show my dev environment, so I will hide them like this. If I apply that, okay, you see that I have now e-commerce production, payment production that is on top, and I don't see anymore the dev environments. So that's the idea. That was the fourth main feature. I think we had some other features, but I'm not going to focus on too many things. I think you got the main ones. I hope you will enjoy them. Maybe you understood that, yeah, with those features, it's opening the door to an infinite new number of use cases. So you can have really a lot of events that are even not linked to an environment. I think that's a big plus for Timeline. So hopefully you enjoyed the presentation. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you maybe for the next release, the 6.4, that should go live probably beginning of January next year. Thank you, bye.